Youth Empowerment Project is a Savana Signatures initiative that aims at protecting young people from STIs and STDs, early pregnancies, and gender-based violence like child marriages. The project is being implemented in the Central and South Tongu districts of the Volta Region with funding from UNESCO.
Over this 1 week period, we have been in the field with Savana Signatures, our partners in the domain of our sexual and reproductive health education programs. And the whole idea is to learn and share ideas at the field level, to be able to interact with our direct beneficiaries as well as the key stakeholders at the community level and of course at the district levels. So some of these key stakeholders are those within the education sector. Looking at the regional level, we had to see the regional director of education, we went to see the district directors of education, but of course other key stakeholders who are supporting this whole course within the education system. So far, I think we have interacted with different stakeholders, which we largely think that there is some heavy support, some enormous support coming from all these stakeholders to ensure that young people are being given the needed education that equips them with knowledge, equips them with skills, so that they are able to make informed decisions to ensure that they don't get pregnant in school, they don't get violated, or they don't even get infected with STIs and other STIs, especially HIV/AIDS in school.
Under the project, adolescents and young people in schools are introduced to accurate and age-appropriate integrated model of reproductive health education.
I am very happy that this program is here because I have learned a lot from the program. I have learned how to abstain from sex, so I need them to provide more books so that we can learn more and study more.
The Youth Empowerment Project, we learned a lot of things in school. Some of the things are harmful practices. Examples of harmful practices in school are rape, defilement, early marriage. We also learned about early marriage. Early marriage is when one is enforced to marry a person earlier.
I also learned about teenage pregnancy, and the effects about teen pregnancy is that you may drop out of school, and it's most not good. It's not good, so I will not advise anybody to take to the teenage pregnancy.
And I also learned about let's be fair. We need to have equal opportunity for both sexes, so that, for example, when the boys are coming to school, the girls too are supposed to come to school. Any chores the girls are doing at home, the boys will have to do it. And we need to have gender equality for both sexes.
The reproductive health education lessons cover both life skills and reproductive health issues such as self-esteem, exploring personal values and norms, reproductive health and development, prevention of sexually transmitted infections and diseases including HIV and AIDS.
Before this time, teenage pregnancy is very rampant in this district. And for that matter, I support this program because this program aims at sensitizing or educating the students to continue to understand what education is, so that they can continue their education and also have their education in a safe environment, and also prevent sexually transmitted diseases such as AIDS, HIV/AIDS, and the rest. So with this, these children or students will be able to continue their education well and then become useful adults in future.
And I would say that this training has helped me a lot. I received a training on how to handle the adolescent reproductive issues, and this have helped my relationship with my students. Because of this training, they can approach me anytime and anywhere. And because of the training also, when members of the community do approach me on issues like this to help their children, and I think it's a good initiative, and I want it to continue.
UNESCO officials visited the project areas to provide on-site technical support to Savana Signatures and to document the significant impact of the project.
We want to ensure that we don't get these children dropping out of school because the school is unsafe for them. Having interacted throughout this journey, we think that there has been overwhelming support from all spheres, including even the community members who are rallying all support behind the school system to ensure that they work together. There is that kind of partnership between the school system and the community system, as well as even the young ones, to ensure that this program is really addresses all their needs.
Mi on yan view alon tu view le bi mi akọ gbobe o fonde o wa tomoto ko we kabakaba kwa wo lechi be ke gbe gam le ni ti mi akọ na kle o han ni ko ne ni abi ne ni ayi school ne mi la na do ye ya na su ko tetele mi o na do ye ya la mi va ko ya va du ni aga to aga aka kama ma no mi ne be su ko didi bodo na mi ye la mi jagbagba be mi afosu ya di na nene akwa de kotokumo na odu aklavo aka ko na de kotokumo akoyi supu e ko yi supu e kama ga aklan kule nju ya la kan be o ko wan feeding na nyemo ko gal kan mo ko ba feeding mele kama wo papa no nye be mi o di na no pivita te mi o da fi ma yo fie be mi le kama wo mu we ke mi e vi wonu ka wo jagbe bara du du bo le kama yo me mi o jilo mele be mi adon tu de vi odula ntu visi kama nya te jibo be ya me egbo na fa iko ga le kama la mele be mi anu wo ehie le kama wo fi be mi evie we o be de no la la no fine o la de ne vie nya mo bula ko fi le kama won ne be ge ma poko na kanye be gba ma na ne mo poko ne kale be na onu ka le shi okunu ha ma wira le jini ajo yusu ai from akobe
nya ba nya tepoyo twa gome jeje la mi viu o gban le school ko mi o jila ola mi po talonu mi wehu mi le bole para ke ponlenti o ke mi va ponya ba teachers o school di pola o va ko dodo aro ko ve on va mi odu omi na te pe enu ono ko ve la wo fonu na mi alo wo va gbronya akotonu de vi o ba nu gbegbran wowo ntuvi o ba nu gbegbran wowo le de vi o ba nti le anyina wowo amachichi o ba de vi tso ba gbododo a mi va po ba fifie la enu ma katan la eji va chocho emi ape be eji cho fifie mi po be school ha fifie la school le ji nwe fine ye le mi odidi nu de vi o ha jila o ha ma katan ko abi ale na wo gblan twa gomejeje na no fifie la mi po be nu sian le ji nwe fine ye mi ato akpedede ye mi akoko na school di pola bla magan be ale no ko vale mi ekpon fifie la mi po be mi viola wa tan yi ngogbe ava zuna na wonu na mi echo magbedo me mi dibe wano eji nenie na nu mi dia na echo magbedo ma mi asi akana na akpedede mi akona amagan yo ko dodo yo ko le baba mi aglobe dodo yo la na ayiji akwa wuke gomanya ba na mele ji mo la de viola ka fa gugura la mangbe kami bien ba na penu yo no ko konveni no to na yiji mo na yiji awalie akpenemi.
We are hoping that this kind of overwhelming support continues and that even after the span of this program elapses, that some of these gains will be sustained throughout to ensure that the benefit is rippling down to many more learners who will be going forward and then proceeding to their next grade. So we are hoping that this will continue and that the education system will continue to use this opportunity to enhance education and to ensure that the quality of education is improved for all persons, no matter whether they are girls, they are boys, whether they are able or disabled.